Texas connection to land is really special. Texas land is where we build our businesses. It's where we run our farm and ranching operations. It's where we plan our futures, and we're comfortable in the knowledge that our homes are ours to do as we see fit with.
Protections such as requiring a government entity to make a legitimate bona fide offer, not one of these lowball offers, but a bona fide and legitimate offer at the beginning of the process, giving landowners a chance then to negotiate a fair price for a piece of property that is going to be used for the public good, whether it's a utility or a water, gas line, whatever it's going to be. We understand that those have to occur for growth to continue, and the fact is we've got to protect private property ownership. We've got to give them a fair spot at the negotiating table, if you will. And some other protections that we're going to be in this bill is requiring condemnation petitions to state specifically what that property is going to be used for. Government just can't come in and say, oh, that's a great piece of property, and we're going to have some future public use for it down the road. Very vague process beforehand. This would require government to be very specific about how they're going to use that property. They can't, the phrase we use, buy and stash it for years and years without any real purpose and a real plan. Also protections that include giving landowners the right to buy back their property. Say an entity, a public entity, uses eminent domain to get a piece of property. They go through the proper process. There's a fair price negotiated, and 10 years down the road, they never used it for that. That individual or his or her family have the right to buy that piece of property back for the amount they paid for it, not the inflated, because the increase in value there should go to the family that had it to begin with, not government. This makes the process accountable, makes the process very transparent,